How to connect wallet in Nodepay. Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect wallet on Nodepay. So let's get started. First of all, come to your Google Chrome and click on this managed extension. And over here at the left side, click on Chrome Web Store and you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Go to the search bar and search for Nodepay. Okay, so this is the extension that you need, so just click on it and here you'll be able to see an option add to Chrome. I have already added, so that's why it's written remove from Chrome. So you have to add it to the Chrome, and once you've added to the Chrome you can either log in, but if you don't have an account you can click on register in order to register to your Nodepay account. To register, simply click on register and you'll be redirected to this interface. You have to write down your email, username, password, confirm password, and you need to have a referral code in order to log into your Nodepay. Note that having a referral code is must, or else you'll not be able to register yourself to Nodepay. So once you've logged into your Nodepay account, you'll be redirected to an interface or dashboard of Nodepay like this. So what you have to do is click on this earnings at the left side. Once you've clicked on earnings, you will be redirected to another interface that something like this. So now here you have to connect your wallet. You can see that you need to verify your email, then connect your wallet, and then confirm wallet address. So first of all, let's verify the email. In order to verify the email, you have to click on verify, and they say that they have sent an verification email to the email address that you have provided. So you can click on send email and the email would be sent, and now here's a timer at the bottom. So what you have to do is go to another tab and search for your Gmail. Now here you can see that I have received this email, so you have to click on confirm your email address and you will be redirected to this interface that says that verified. So click on login and write down your email credentials. Let me write down my email, and after writing down your email you have to type down your password once again, and then you have to click on enter. So once you click on enter, you'll again be redirected to the dashboard. Click on earnings again, and here you can see that your email has been verified successfully and there is a green tick over here. Next step is connecting your wallet. So just click on connect, and here you have to write down your wallet address. You can either write down the wallet address manually or you can connect via wallet on Solana. So either write down manually by pasting it or connect it. So I already have Phantom wallet over here, so what I'm going to do is just connect it directly to Phantom wallet. So I'm going to click on Phantom, and then if you click on Phantom, you'll be redirected to this interface that says connect. So just click on connect, and now you'll be able to see that success connect Phantom successfully, and then you have to click on verify once again, and once again you have to click on confirm. And once you click on confirm and go back, you'll be able to see that your wallet has been connected. So once you have connected your wallet, you have to confirm wallet address. So just click on confirm, and you can just click on these icons over here in order to know the description. So just click on confirm, and then they'll send you an email once again on the email address. So this is the email that I received, so I'm just going to click on confirm your wallet. You can give it a read in order to know what you're doing, and once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this interface that says wallet is verified. You can copy the wallet address from here for further or future use, and then you can go to your dashboard once again. So after confirming your address, you can click on return to dashboard. And once you are returned to your dashboard, go back to earnings once again, and now you can see that all three options are verified. So that is basically how you can connect wallet on Nodepay. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.